Sound divination is an ability that is both similar to the power of clairaudience and also complements it. The difference is that the latter doesn't actually require making sound to hear what is needed, though sound divination can help focus on the premonitory information that is being sought. Users of sound divination can divine for information by using sound vibrations to trigger their ability to perceive supernatural energy.
Lydia, I'm not sure anybody hears what you hear.
They're whispering. Something about a house.
What house?
What do you hear?